right, welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Washington, D.C. office with Natural Transplants, and we got special guest Kevin today. Kevin, thanks for doing this, man. Appreciate you helping everybody.
No problem.
Yeah, man. So tell everybody where you're from and what you're doing here.
I'm from Western Kentucky, pretty close to Nashville. Took a 12-hour drive, kind of road trip style to get here.
Yeah.
And trying to get some hair back right here.
All right, awesome.
Only 31, started thinning when I was like 26, and I don't want it to go yet.
Don't want to give it up.
So
awesome.
yeah, I'm still holding on to it.
Very cool. We're gonna have a good day today. So I'm gonna play around with your hair a little bit, but he hides it relatively well. But as you can see, when you move sort of the center, we got some deep recession, similar to what mine was on both sides here. So that's what we're gonna work on today. We're gonna avoid the center strip. There's good and bad about doing that, but it's just a little too thick, and I think we would probably cause more harm than good. He understands, though, that because we're not going to go in here, it is possible if he does lose this in the future. Obviously, there'll be a gap there, and he'll need another procedure down the road. But that's a chance we're going to take. But that's the same as well, for any other part of the head as well, too. But so we're going to draw it all out. We'll take some pictures. We'll come back, check on you a little bit. Sound good? Awesome. Yep. All right, we are back with Kevin. As you can see, we have drawn out the line. We're going to avoid. We decided probably best to avoid that center strip. We didn't want to cause more harm than good. We did shave it, though. We thought it would get sort of in the way and maybe take out some of those grafts. But we drew out the line. We're happy with it. You're excited? Ready to roll? Awesome.
Ready, man.
So he's got a lot of tattoos. We're going to see if the numbing or the tattoos are worse. So it'll be a little study today.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll check in with you a little later.
Sounds good,
all right,
man.
cool. Okay. All right, we are back with Kevin. Congrats, man. You did it.
Appreciate it.
Be honest with everybody. How did it go?
Wasn't that bad. First 10 minutes, anxiety was a little rough.
Yep.
But yeah, the whole rest of the time, I played Pokemon, watched some Netflix, we listened to music, ate some candy.
Yeah, we watched TV all day. And you did it
wasn't
without
bad.
Valium, which was most people, they do a couple Valiums. So
I'm weird about pills.
Yeah.
So I raw dogged it and made it.
Yeah, we had fun today, man. It was great. Have Zane zoom in, so keep your head just still. Look, I know I told you not to look down, but look down just a touch.
Yep.
There you go. And we really packed it in. We really crushed it. A little bit in the front, in the corners. I'm psyched. I think it's going to look awesome. Take it slow, man. Congratulations. I'll call you tomorrow to check on you. Any sort of words of advice for people out there that are sort of on the fence thinking about doing it?
Yeah, I think to me, I think it's going to be worth it. Obviously, I can't see what it looks like yet, but the whole process itself was very smooth. I'll say easier than a tattoo. I know we were kind of comparing.
Yeah.
That hurts the whole time. This only hurt for about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
awesome, man.
Do it.
I love it. Welcome to the family, man. Hopefully we'll keep track of you, throughout the year, and we'll see some cool pictures in about a year.
Yeah, sounds good,
awesome.
Man.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.